Ping, or role model in Dizhou, is a senior welding technician at Huaning Dizhou power plant. He once worked continuously for 2 days and nights, using 13 kilograms of welding rods to repair a broken brake caliper, saving the company an average annual loss of over 3 million yuan. With a strong sense of responsibility and excellent skills, he has solved significant problems for the company, ensuring production safety and economic benefits. Today, we will experience the precise control behind this craftsman spirit through the simulation operation of setting up welding workstation components. By the end of this lesson, I hope that you will be able to independently complete the addition and position adjustment of each component of the welding workstation, accurately configure the linkage parameters between the robot and the positioner, and cultivate a sense of responsibility while experiencing the craftsman spirit in practical component settings. Let's begin the simulation operation for this lesson. First, add fixtures. In the left-hand menu, locate Fixtures, right-click, and select Add Fixture. Choose CAD Library, then Jig, and find 2-axis positioner platform to add it. In this way, we have added the 2-axis positioner platform. Next, adjust its position. Modify the Z coordinate to 0 and click Apply. Then, position the robot and the positioner appropriately. First, adjust the robot's position. In the left-hand menu, find GP1, right-click, and select Properties. Change the position to Y620, Z355, or -90. After making these changes, click Apply to confirm. Next, position the positioner. In the left-hand menu, locate Machines, select 2-axis servo positioner, right-click, and choose Properties. Modify the position to X320, Y-230, Z340, R180. Once the settings are complete, click Apply to confirm. In this way, we have positioned the positioner. Next, add a welding torch to the robot. In the left-hand menu, expand GP1, then expand Tooling, select UT1, right-click, and choose Properties. Under CAD File, select CAD Library, then choose Weld Torches, where we can select an appropriate welding torch. In the example, we will use this particular welding torch. After selecting it, click OK, and then click Apply to confirm. As we set up the welding torch, the tool coordinate system will also be automatically generated. Next, we need to configure the coordinated motion between the robot and the positioner. In the left-hand menu, locate CD pair frames, expand it, select CD1, right-click, and choose Properties. Next, set the master-slave relationship between the positioner and the robot. In this project, we will designate the positioner as the leader and the robot as the follower. After setting the master-slave relationship, corresponding extended settings will appear below. Next, perform coordinated calibration. In the CD pair calibration section, select Update $CD pair and click Calibrate. The system will prompt us to confirm the update of the position and orientation relationship between the robot and the positioner. We need to confirm the calibration by clicking OK. Next, confirm the change in system offset variables by clicking Yes. After completing the calibration settings, we need to perform a cold start to finalize the changes. Select Yes to allow the robot to perform a cold start. Once the startup is complete, the dialog box will display calibration finished, and the corresponding positions will be automatically generated on the left side. Then, we can copy the calibrated coordinates to the robot's U-frame. We can choose any U-frame, but it must be consistent with the U-frame used in the subsequent program generation. For example, we will use U-frame 1. After selecting the U-frame information, click Apply. In this way, we have completed the coordinated configuration between the robot and the positioner. Next, add a workpiece to the positioner. In the left-hand menu, locate Parts, right-click, and select Add Part. Choose CAD Library, then under the Parts menu, select Workpiece. We will add pommel pipe to the project. Adjust the size ratio of pommel pipe to 0.5 and click Apply. Next, attach the part to the positioner. In the left-hand menu, find G2, J2 under the machine's properties, right-click, and select Properties. Choose the Parts tab, check pommel pipe, and click Apply. Then, check Edit Part Offset, set W to 180 and P to 90, and click Apply. In this way, we have added pommel pipe to the positioner. With this, we have completed the task of setting up the welding workstation components. Today, through the simulation operation of setting up welding workstation components, we have learned how to independently complete the addition and position adjustment of each component, as well as how to accurately configure the linkage parameters between the robot and the positioner. By examining the case of Ching Pi and his craftsman spirit, we have profoundly understood the importance of a rigorous attitude and a strong sense of responsibility. I hope that in your future studies and work, you will be able to integrate this spirit into every detail, contributing to the safety and efficiency of industrial production.